Would you like to become a mother one day, but not necessarily right now? Maybe it is not the right time yet. Maybe you are focusing on your career, your personal life, or you simply want to keep this possibility open to the future. In this video, we will explain in simple terms what fertility preservation is, how egg vitrification works, and in which situations this treatment may be considered. What is fertility preservation? So, fertility preservation allows you to freeze your eggs so they can be used later if getting pregnant naturally becomes more difficult. The technique used is called egg vitrification. It is a very fast freezing method that preserves the eggs at a very low temperature, helping to maintain the characteristics they had at the time they were frozen. In other words, the eggs keep the quality they had on the day of vitrification. Why freeze your eggs? Well, female fertility naturally decreases with age. Over time, not only does the number of eggs decrease, but their quality also declines. This can make pregnancy more difficult a few years later. Egg vitrification gives you an additional option for the future. It is not a guarantee of pregnancy, but it is a way to plan ahead and keep more possibilities open if motherhood comes later. When should you consider it? Ideally, it is recommended to think about egg vitrification before the age of 37, as egg quality is generally better when eggs are frozen earlier. But every situation is different. That is why a first consultation is important to assess your age, your ovarian reserve, medical history, and motherhood plans. Who is it for? Egg vitrification may be suitable for women who want to become mothers later in life, but also in certain medical situations. For example, in cases of endometriosis, polycystic ovary syndrome, or before certain treatments such as chemotherapy or radiotherapy, which may affect fertility. In all the cases, the decision should be personalized and guided by a medical team. And how does the treatment work? The treatment begins with a diagnostic consultation. Then, ovarian stimulation is carried out for several days to help several eggs mature during the same cycle. When the eggs are ready, they are retrieved through an egg collection procedure. The mature eggs are then vitrified in the lab and stored until the patient decides if she wishes to use them. Later, these eggs can be thawed, fertilized in the lab, and the resulting embryo can be transferred into the uterus. Violet technology. At Vida Fertility, we also use Violet, which is an artificial intelligence technology that helps analyze the eggs before vitrification. It provides more information about their viability and helps plan the treatment more accurately. The aim is to support each patient with greater precision and peace of mind. Fertility preservation can be an interesting option if you would like to become a mother later, or if you need to protect your fertility for medical reasons. The most important thing is to get informed at the right time. A consultation with a specialist allows you to understand your ovarian reserve, explore your options, and decide whether egg vitrification is suitable for your situation. At Vida Fertility, our team supports you with a personalized human and multilingual medical approach. Preserving your fertility does not mean deciding today to become a mother. It means giving yourself the possibility to choose tomorrow.